Another day on the Mini. I'm going to try and get this flitching today. Chop all this old stuff out. Door's going to need a new skin or replacing. We've got all this done now. Just needs to clean up. All the floor on this side. Sill and everything's all done. Cross members in. Absolutely shocking fit. Had to make that fit. Didn't just go in nicely, unfortunately. So other side's all done. And then next week we're going to get on with the boot floor, I think. Delish. On with the Mini project again this week. Just been cleaning it all up, getting the welds all nice and clean and tidy. All these bits done, floors in, cross members in, sills are in. There's a lot more cleaning yet to do. A couple more bits to patch up before we start on the boot, and then we'll start on the boot. Once we get it off the spit, I think we'll know where we are. Coming along though. Inside's looking nice. Scuttle to do yet. All that. Engine bay to clean out. Check there's no other bits in there. But yeah, boot floor's looking good now. Let's spin it over and have a look. So I've got this one in now. You just about see that nice little joint there. Disappear once it's stone chipped and everything. Steps have gone in nicely. All along there, joints here, comes down along, goes down there. Same on there, comes along and down there. Floors in, along there. Put some extra tabs in for these wire and loom, just to keep it down. Pockets are done down there. There's a little hole where the rivet used to be. All down the back as well, heel board. Looking tasty. Let's move on. Boot next, I think.